Hey, what's up YouTube? Just a quick need your help video here. About ready to put the pink stuff in for the year, and I just noticed something, a different place water coming out of. I just want to make sure this is normal. Boy, it really looks like it's coming out good here. This side, not so much. Water coming right out of there. My question is, coming out of the center of this MerCruiser Alpha One, is that normal or is that a leak? I just had a bunch of service done on this. I don't want to winterize this thing if I need to take it back and tell them something's not right. So please let me know if you think that's normal, getting water right out there. I just never remember seeing that happening. So I'm on kind of a hill here, which could explain, I don't know, less water coming out of that exhaust and that exhaust. Just had two flappers replaced. So hopefully you can hear all that, and any help, let me know. Is that normal? My main question, is that normal for that water to be coming out of that center spot right there? All right, thanks, Blaster on Boat Owners.